What drew me to the course is that it's a mixture of academics and industry focus, and I think both the modules so far have done a really good job of actually learning what a professional producer does. So yeah, it's been great. I mean, getting to know different DAWs, Ableton, Pro Tools, Logic, and the advanced electronic music production modules also. Just, I don't know, you feel like you're on the cutting edge of production, so yeah.
It's really pushed my boundaries and pushed my awareness of what you can do with sound and manipulation of sound. Like, definitely thinking outside the box, stuff that I wouldn't have come up with myself. And that stimulus of being like shown stuff is very, very cool. So I really appreciate that. And then in myself, self-learning as well, taking what I've learned and then going away and applying it in a situation that is applicable to my own music and my own art. So that's been really, really cool.
Yeah, I'm utilising the master's degree as an opportunity to become a personal tutor and get into teaching. So I'm really using the course to expand my skill set and gain the confidence to cover all the ground knowledge of music production in a way that I can feel a lot of integrity.
Everyone feels like they're actually involved in the industry and they're doing creative and interesting stuff, and we get to learn. We can kind of focus on what we want, but at the same time we're learning a lot of stuff. So I'm focusing on AI, but anyone can do what they want. So that's what I enjoy about it, yeah.
At first it was quite daunting. I've been out of this education system for like 10 years. So it was like, what's going on here? I knew new people, new environment. But that was in itself very good to push myself out of my comfort zone, do something new, and instantly could tell that especially the lecturers and the facilities were of a very high caliber. And that in itself is very inspiring to be attentive and just continue to grow in an environment that feeds growth.
My favourite module so far on the MA has probably been the Advanced EMP module. It's enabled me to take a look at some creative strategies and ways of thinking about producing music that I wouldn't normally approach when I am looking to make dance music.
But there's also the people, which I think is key, the people who actually are active in the industry, and the lecturers, and there's the job board where I can find jobs. And yeah, I think this MA is a great stepping stone from the academic world to the industry.
One of my favourite things about dBs as a whole and a place to study is the community. Like, it's very professional, it's very geared towards learning, it's very student-based in terms of the advice and support. Like, I'm enjoying the support I'm getting from the lecturers, online and offline, in person and via email and everything. I feel very supported, and that for me is of very high value.
For me, it was the perfect continuation from a more academic degree. So this was the perfect place to get industry knowledge and get into the actual world of production. So if anyone's interested in that, I would recommend it, yeah.
I would recommend the MA at dBs to anybody who's looking to further their career in music or launch themselves into a career in music. And I think it's a really great way to focus yourself if you have a solid end goal of where you want to be and where you want to get to. It's a really great opportunity to take some time in just advancing your skills.